Nila. Nako. May nagsasabi ba sa'yo? May lumalapit ba sa'yo? May mga nagsasabi na nagtatitle, pero hindi ko pa-deserve yun. Na kay Ate Angelica Panganiban ng Corona, guys. Wala sa akin. Pero enjoy ko yung company nila. Mahal ko sila. And I love how real they are. And unapologetic silang maging sila. With no filter. Ayun. That's why I love them. Thank you for that question. Now, let's go to Jason Laluna from Certified Kapamilya over there. Hi, Jason.
Yes, congratulations sa endorsements.
Oh, wow, thank you. Salamat.
May linya kasi dun sa Marupok AF na medyo nakakatch ng attention ng mga likers ng page namin. Yung, I know what I did, but I also don't know why I did that. Why I did what I did. So, in real life ba, may nangyari na bang sitwasyon sa buhay mo na nasabi mo na yun? Or kumbaga relatable?
Meron. May mga moments naman talaga na may parang mariregret mo. Ganun. Yeah. Meron din. Mapapatanong din. Napapatanong. Ikaw din naman.
Yes. Tapos, may project kayo with Director Jason Laksamana.
Yes.
May idea na ba kayo kung ano yung characters na ipo-portray?
Meron na. But,
yes.
Yeah, sorry, what?
Yes, ito yung question. How different and how similar are those characters with story?
Oh, wow.
Without spoiling anything.
Eh di ang masasabi ko lang iba. Magkaiba sila. Yun lang. First secret lang muna lahat. Thank you, Jason. Now, let's go to our next question from Samantha Prats of Push. Andiyan na ba siya? Okay, dito na tayo sa next. Si Jeff Perton from Kapamilya Online World.
Hey Maris, congratulations.
Hello.
Tabi-kabi lang yung projects mo and yung endorsement.
Opo.
Paano mo na ma-manage yung time between career and personal life? And also, paano mo na ma-manage yung time between your on-screen partner and your real-life partner?
Ano ba? Yun nga din yung tanong ko eh. Paano ko ba na ma-manage? Well, ngayon, ano nga yung unang tanong? Parang dalawa kasi siya. Career and love life. Okay naman. Namamanage naman ng maayos. Ayun lang. On-screen partner and well, sa amin naman kasi ni Anthony, work is work talaga. And pag uwi ng bahay, you go back to your real selves. Ganun naman yung cycle ng buhay as an artist. So yeah. Dapat masaya ka lang sa ginagawa. Thank you. Would you like to go to the next question? Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's go to Nikki Wang from Manila Standard.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi! Hi Maris, congratulations sa yung bagong project. Kanina dun sa video na pinakita, one of the lines that nag-stuck sa akin yung binubura mo ako sa sarili kong kwento. Now, applying that to your personal life, how do you ensure that you're still the main character in your own story?
To ensure that you're always the main character. Here's the thing, you're not always going to be the main character of your story. Hindi siya dapat ganun tingnan. There are times na mag-give way ka for other people. There are times na bigay mo naman sa sarili mo. It's a balance of the two. And siguro ang tamang i-apply sa buhay ay kung masaya ka sa choices mo. And kung masaya ka sa choices mo, magiging magaan yung life.
Are you happy with your choices in life?
Ish. Happy naman, happy naman.
Now, I would like to piggyback on the title of your film, Marupok AF. Marupok ba si Maris Racal? If so, gaano ang karupok?
Marupok AF. Marupok ako in a sense na, when I was young, marupok talaga ako. Ngayon, I think mas head-on na ako sa life kaysa sa hard on my sleeve. Parang mas mature ako ngayon, I would say. But, hindi pa rin naman talaga mawawala yung karupukan. Kasi, they say that the mind or the brain is the most powerful organ in your body, but sometimes it's the heart.
Thank you. And for my last question, yung partnership niyo ni Anthony, yun nga, nagkaroon na kayo ng endorsement and all. And until now, you still have a lot of following online. Where do you see your partnership going in the next few years?
Oh, kami ni Anthony, grabe yung mga pangarap namin. Like, sana after the movie na gawin namin, magbunga pa. Kasi we have that special, that rapport na hindi ko ma-mimic with other people. So, masarap siya katrabaho, kabanter, masarap siya ka-eksena. So, sana, alam mo yun, yung makagawa kami ng mga films na in like 50 years, people would look back and then isa yun sa mga top 3s nila or top 5. Ganun. Classic, ganun. Yeah.
Thank you very much for so pretty today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikki Wang. And now let's have Miss Janice from Bulgar.
Hi, Marias. Looking good.
Thank you.
Parang naingit ako sa hair mo. Ganda. Pero ano ba yan? Totoong buhok? Or...
Ano lang to, layers lang.
Oh.
Tapos extensions.
Kala ko naman may pinagdadaanan kaya ganyan.
Wala po.
Wala naman. Oo, kasi alam mo naman sa showbiz, di ba pag nagbago ka ng hairstyle, iisipin nila may pinagdadaanan ka.
Hindi, may bagong movie lang napanood. Kaya iba yung...
Kaya iba yung Oo. Pero kasi Maris, yung love team nyo ni Anthony talagang nag-gig, di ba, sa Can't Buy Me Love. So, I just wanna know, paano kasi no-support ng iyong real-life boyfriend na si Rico Blanco doon sa success mo ngayon, sa success ng love team nyo ni Anthony, hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Kasi kung ako yung boyfriend, parang so sobrang click nyo, tatablan ako eh.
Hindi sila sa Rico. Supportive siya.
So okay lang ba sa kanya? Kasi balita magkakaroon kayo ng next project ni Anthony.
Yeah, supportive siya sa next project namin. Yes.
Ano nang development doon? Kailan na mag-push through ba siya?
Magsa-start na po kami soon. Ngayon lang, ready lang yung table readings, yung workshops, ganun po.
So parang ito yung highlight talaga ng career mo, Maris, dahil ang daming nagkagusto dun sa role mo. So parang talaga ngayon yung year mo, di ba? So at this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po ako sa career.
So mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Yes. Thank you. Yes. I already have some there.
I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling. and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. But yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but, nangyari? Oo. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali, hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya the situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me, but I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. Enrico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
Oh, sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din, I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil na kung nag-click yung ano yun ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup. Paano?
Anthony is out of the picture here. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it. Since, well, we're at it. I would like to humbly ask the public to look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love, because we're both grieving. Hindi naman makakontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico, because he's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them. Yeah.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Janice. And Maurice, if you'd like to